What's the problem, James?
My batteries are dead. I have no way to charge them.
Your generator died,
burned up my generator yesterday. I don't know why.
It's because they make absolute rubbish now, people.
The starter got rebuilt like maybe 1 month ago, and it just never worked after that. It's never worked. It just needs to be replaced.
Oh, it's time to say goodbye again.
Always.
I just get to have my friend to play with, and then wants to nick off. He's only here for 5 and 6 days at a time. Far out.
Yeah.
Terrible, man.
Yeah. And my solar arch is ready to install, so I'm gonna go install the solar arch, and then I'll be back on the way to Colombia.
Yeah, okay.
I'll stay here for a few days though.
Yeah, okay. All right.
Maybe
See you,
5
buddy.
or 6 days again.
We had fun.
Yeah.
And
my brother from another mother.
We'll do the waterfall.
Yeah, that sounds good.
I'll suss it out first.
Cool.
All right. See you, James. Excellent doing stuff together.
That was fun.
Bloody great.
Bloody
great. Yeah, me too. Anna gets upset that I don't give her a hug and a kiss goodbye. Ah, now keep going. Ah, no, don't stop. Ah, 10 more minutes. Ah, ah. She's beautiful. What's that? Is that mine? Is it? Oh, okay. Top stuff. Excellent.
This is too.
Oh, yeah, that is mine. Yep, top stuff. That's good because we've only got one bowl. We share it. We take it in turns. We were wondering this morning, where's the bowl? Alas, there goes my friend again. Now who am I supposed to play with? Oh, I suppose I have to play with the girls on my boat. It's a tough life, people.
See you later, buddy.
See ya! See you in a week and a half or so. Alright, bye.
Bye, Mr. Fluffy.
Anna is beautiful. Alas, there goes my friend.
Sugar!
Oh, shush, Anna. Don't use my pet name in front of James. He'll get suspicious.
Sugar!
Oh, bloody hell, Anna. You don't have to tell James everything.
Sugar!
Oh, shit. Sugar! You mean the real stuff? My bad. Chuck it there. Oh, shit. Whoa, baby. Bye.
Bye.
My girls are cooking pancakes, so I think we're running out of everything. They're supposed to be gruel, people. They're supposed to be eating gruel. Oh, girls, you might love me. I've got another round of pancakes from James. How's the pancakes going?
Great.
Oh, they look masterful.
Sushi did banana inside and cinnamon.
Oh, excellent. All right. Okay, sorry, Clara. You're after oil, aren't you? You're after oil, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. and what's the lovely Gigi making?
Pineapple for smoothie.
All right. Okay. And what's going to go in the smoothie?
Pineapple, banana, ginger.
All right. All right. Excellent.
Okay, now we are.
Wow. This is good. All right. What am I going to do?
Oil.
Oh, editing. Oh yeah, and get the oil. Smoothie time.
Smoothie.
Cheers. Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
All right. I got the Geico Caveman cup, people. Bloody good. Go. All right. Excellent. What, even made tea? Excellent. So, can I just compare the happiness and all the joy to when we did the wreck and I said, what did you think of the wreck? It was, well, it was all right. And then I mentioned, maybe we'll do some garlic fish pasta, and then she could have been used as a lighthouse, lit up like a lighthouse. And then getting back here, so that was that level, getting back here, Clara goes, let's do pancakes. There you go, people. We know where their heart lies. Anyway, it looks good.
Looks so
Get
good.
it in ya.
Yeah, that's it. Hold on, say that. Say it again.
Get it in ya.
Get it in ya! Get it in ya! And if you can do the get it in, get it in ya! All right.
Oh, that's a lot.
Clara likes a bit of pancake with her sugar. Yeah, all right.
This is really good.
Yeah, okay, excellent. All right, top stuff, girls. Excellent.
Appetit.
Bon appetit.
Guten
Yeah.
Guten Appetit. Buen provecho.
I'm not going to fill this in. Yeah, bon appetit to you, bon appetit to you.
Or someone.
Had to eat quickly. Now I've got to go do editing, and we're in Upload Upload Internetsville. So I've got to get it all happening. The fun, people. It's what do you say? Do you say lindo?
Sí, muy
Oh,
lindo.
Muy lindo, muy lindo. Well, it's up to you girls if you want to buy something. But I've bought my share of moles.
Ah, máscara.
Now you're going to have a hard time saying no, aren't you? But you just have to. We can
¿Qué es esto?
we can give.
Oh, por ahí para un bebé.
Oh, no, es
Para
para
a baby.
Now the girls are going to have a hard time of getting rid of them without buying something. You should never let them on your boat. Oh yeah, I know. Of course you like the things. We bought like $400 worth right at the start and gave them away as presents. Well, not me personally. Margarita and her family did. But once they're on the boat, oh my goodness. Exciting news, people! Okay, people. Someone just gave me a call or sent me a message on WhatsApp, and we're going to interview her to see if she's going to be in the next crew. This is the science behind how I choose people. It's very scientific, very.
Even before we start the interview, Steph is off to a bad start. She's seen the vlog, she knows what I'm about, and she still applies. Oh, clearly deranged. Strike!
Clara is going to behave. She was just barreling questions at me. So she's only allowed to ask one question.
Hey.
Gigi can ask as many as she likes. Alright, here we go. Hello. Hello, where is she?
I don't know that.
Hello?
Hi, yeah. Sorry.
Can you
I think I pressed the wrong button.
can you hear?
Yeah.
Too long a pause after question. We can't have that.
Okay, now I'm just gonna, for your information, I've got two lovely girls on my boat. One's from Germany, her name is Clara, and one's from
Okay.
Argentina, and her name is Gigi.
Hi.
Say hello, girls.
Hello.
Hello.
And I'm also filming this because I think it's kind of interesting. So, because we might even show it on the video when you come. So, are you okay with that, or do you think that's a bit nasty?
Oh, I don't have a category for agreeableness, so I guess no tick or cross at all.
What did we do today, girls? What did we do early
We
today?
went to a shipwreck.
They went to a shipwreck.
Making banana pancakes.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
What? Prefers banana bread to adventure on a shipwreck? Strike!
I've traveled a lot on my own already. And well, you should pick me as a new crew member because I can fight on my own. I do a lot of fighting sports since I'm 4 years old. So I know how to handle people if they attack me or something else happens.
Okay, but hang on. I might say to you, hey, Stephanie, can you pull the sail down? And you might get cocky and say, no, do it yourself. And I won't be able to do anything because you'll beat me up. That's a bit unfair, Stephanie. Come on. Do you promise not to hurt the captain?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, people. Another pause. And she was far too non-committal with her answer. Strike!
Where have you been?
I've been to Great Britain, London, then Norway. Right now I'm currently in Norway.
Norway? I have heard of Norway. Not the best bikini weather. She may be out of practice for bikini weather. Strike! I know what you're thinking, people, and you'd be right. This plucky guy is the Snow White of interviewing technique. Snow White, you ask? Yes, indeed. I'm the fairest of them all. Strike! Okay, that's enough of that. But she was the only one that applied. So, Steph, it is.
The last few days I've just hiked around Norway and visited the Norway fjord and stuff like that.
By yourself?
Yeah, on myself.
Oh, if I had $1 for every applicant that has trekked alone down a fjord in Norway in the middle of winter, I'd have about $1 actually. Okay, so maybe you get 1 tick. See you soon, Steph, all on Sailing Into Bullshit.